There, let's take a look at XDC's chart. And we'll look into the weekly Wyckoff structure, check out the short-term trend, so you can learn how to assess the risk of next price move, even if you're new to chart analysis. As of this moment, XDC is transiting from the automatic rally stage to the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. So last time it did the same thing was back in August 2022. So exactly 4 years ago. All right. Interestingly. And then the major resistance right now remains this purple line, this purple key level of 3 cents 10, okay, 0.031. And the key support level is this blue line, 0.026. You see it has been bouncing between these two lines over the past 3 months. And even with last week's price surge, it wasn't able to climb above the purple. Okay, it wasn't able to close above it. You can clearly see the selling whenever it gets to that point. Remember, this is education content only, not financial advice. Now, let's get to the daily chart micro view. We have been tracking this downtrend that started in mid-May, and the price surge last week has briefly gone outside of the trend for 5 days, and today it has returned back to the trend, just finding support at the uptrend support line you see we have been tracking in the last session. And depending on what kind of news come out based on the economic data, as well as the US Fed Chair announcement or speech, that's going to change the game. So the next few days are going to be key. You see the volume has resumed to a lower level, not as low as prior decline, where the Fed came out and said things about how they're going to deal with the bond situation. But still, people are waiting for more news to come out before they make their next move. All right, so that's the situation right now. The trend hasn't changed. We're still tracking using these lines because they haven't changed, basically. The trend itself, we can definitely draw a box over here, okay, or another channel over here. But as of now, we're using this yellow dash line to trace instead. Because otherwise, if I draw it over here, that's totally fine. That's already formed. But it doesn't add additional indication. Okay, so if I line it up with the yellow line the base, so you can see the channel, right? We've got these higher highs, and then we've got these lower higher lows. It's actually the same thing with the yellow line. Okay, while I have drawn this, let's use this instead. But you already know, right? We've got this indication of a 2C's decision point by the 3rd of September, meaning either this uptrend continues because it is trading towards this wedge. If it continues, that means it is going to once again break outside of this resistance line. And if it doesn't, it means it is going to break this uptrend support and comes back to this channel. So it's a change of the recent uptrend. And today is kind of like an early indication. But still, like I said, if news comes in that drives people to once again FOMO, or liquidity comes to risk on mode, then that's going to change. And that's where the crossroad is right now. You can let me know in the comment whether you think the coming news is going to drive a bounce, along this uptrend, trying to challenge the purple key level of 0.031 again, or is it going to come back to the downtrend and challenge the support of 0.026? Last time it tested the support was end of July, almost exactly 1 month ago. And the previous accumulation all went below this blue line when they were at their lowest point for XDC. So let me know. And remember, you can access these sessions earlier, like the current channel members. So join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.